Welcome to WeLearn. This is session number 9 of Business Intelligence and Tools. In this session, we are going to cover following topics: different ways of data warehousing, types of business models, B2B business intelligence model, B2C business intelligence model, and different types of B2B intelligence models. First of all, type of business models. Business model explains the principle of how an organization can create, deliver, and even capture values which could be economic, social or other kind of values. So जब आप बिजनेस मॉडल में डील करते हैं तो हम उसे यूज़ करें जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन कि कैसे हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्रिएट हुई है, क्या वो डिलीवर करेगी, नॉर्मली वो कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज़ को कैप्चर करेगी जो कि आपकी कोई भी इकोनॉमिकल, सोशल और कोई और काइंड हो सकता है. बिजनेस मॉडल टर्म can be used for a wide range of formal as well as your informal descriptions, which can be used to represent main aspects of business, which will include the purpose, the offering and the infrastructure, etc. So जो आपके बिजनेस मॉडल जो आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं टर्म, वो आपकी फॉर्मल एज वेल एज इनफॉर्मल कोई किसी भी टाइप के डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर हम उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक हमें अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में कोई फॉर्मल डिस्क्रिप्शन करना है तो वो भी हम बिजनेस मॉडल के थ्रू कर सकते हैं एज वेल एज योर इनफॉर्मल डिस्क्रिप्शन. फिर चाहे वो किसी पर्पस को लेके हो, आपका बिजनेस क्या ऑफर करता है और उस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, उसको भी हम बिजनेस मॉडल के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेस मॉडल्स आर B2C, B2B, C2B, C2C, G2B and G2C. Here B stands for business, C for consumer, G for government. Now first of all, business to consumer, that is B2B model. The business to consumer describes the activities of businesses servicing and consumers with product as well as your services also. So जो business आपके consumers को जो service provide करता है उसको हम कहते हैं business to consumer model. फिर चाहे वो कोई प्रोडक्ट हो या फिर कोई सर्विस. नॉर्मली हम यूज करते हैं अपने ई कॉमर्स के सेगमेंट में, बिकॉज इन दिस मॉडल ऑनलाइन बिजनेस आर सॉल्व टू इंडिविजुअल कंज्यूमर. द बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस इज दैट द ऑनलाइन रिटेलर्स एंड मार्केटर्स could sell their products to the online consumer by using your crystal clear data which was made available through various online marketing tools. So जो भी डाटा आपने अपने मार्केटिंग टूल्स को यूज़ करके अपने कंज्यूमर्स को अवेल करवाया है वो उसी डाटा को पूरा एनालाइज करके ही आप पे डिमांड करते हैं, मीन्स आपको अप्रोच करते हैं और आपसे बिजनेस को कंज्यूम करते हैं. सो जो हमारा बेसिक आइडिया वो जस्ट टू गैदर करना अपने ऑनलाइन कंज्यूमर्स को, ताकि जो भी डाटा उन्होंने गैदर किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो अपनी डिमांड आपको बता सकें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर इज फॉलोड बाय योर ऑनलाइन फार्मेसी to give free medical consultants and also to sell medicines to patients. This is an example of business to consumer e-commerce model. Next is business to business model. It is the biggest form of e-commerce business as B2B implies commerce transactions between business, like one between a manufacturer and other is a wholesaler or a wholesaler and a retailer. तो दोनों ही एंड पे आपके कोई बिजनेस टर्म्स हैं जो आपस में रिलेशंस में हैं जस्ट फॉर परस्यूइंग एनी ट्रांजैक्शन. सो इन दिस फॉर्म बोथ द बायर्स एंड सेलर्स आर बोथ आर बिजनेस एंटिटीज and do not need any individual consumer for the particular activity. For example, Dell sells computer and other related accessories online, but it is not manufacture all the products. So in order to sell the products, it first have to purchase them from different business that are the manufacturers of those products. So Cisco is one of your best example of B2B catalog online. Next model is consumer to business, an electronic commerce, that is e-commerce business model in which consumers or individuals can offer products and services to companies and the companies have to pay them. So consumers जो है business के लिए कैसे है, means consumer से business को क्या benefit है और वो कैसे उसे consume करता है. तो ई कॉमर्स का जो ये मॉडल है इसमें हम कंज्यूमर जो है वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफर करता है कंपनीज को, और अगर कंपनीज को वो प्रोडक्ट यूज करने हैं तो वो उसके लिए उन्हें पे करती है. The business model is a complete reverse of your traditional business model where companies offer goods, services to your consumer. In this we have LAS, that is a particular example of consumer to business model. In this, consumer put a project and the businesses answer it with a bid proposals, means अपने अपने proposals देते हैं और उसके बेस पे वो कंज्यूमर अपना प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो बिजनेस किसी पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस एंटिटी को वो प्रोडक्ट सेल करता है. Next category is consumer to consumer, means both the side we have consumer. It is just a fast growing segment of e-commerce after the introduction of your social networking. It helps to ease the online transaction of goods, services between the consumers through some third party. A common example in this is the online auction. जो ऑनलाइन ऑप्शंस करते हैं मीन्स कंज्यूमर ने एक आइटम को पोस्ट कर दिया सेल करने के लिए और दूसरी साइट से ही उस पर्टिकुलर साइट को यूज करते हुए मीन्स जो आपकी वो पर्टिकुलर जो आपको बेस दिया गया है इंटरफेरेंस दिया गया है दैट इज योर थर्ड पार्टी और दूसरी साइड पे कोई एक कंज्यूमर ही है जो साइट को यूज कर रहा है और वो आपका प्रोडक्ट बाय करना चाहता है. तो इन दिस वे बोथ साइड्स वी हैव कंज्यूमर एंड इन बिटवीन देयर इज एन इंटरमीडिएटर. So this is the procedure of online auction which is an example of consumer to consumer model. और बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं लाइक आपके eBay, Amazon.com. पर्टिकुलर ये दोनों वही हैं जिसके अंदर एक कस्टमर जो है वो कोई भी क्लासिफाइड एड्स डालता है या फिर कोई प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपर्टी को सेल करता है किसी दूसरे कंज्यूमर को. नेक्स्ट मॉडल इज गवर्नमेंट टू बिजनेस. It is an online non-commercial interaction between local and central government. The commercial business sector rather than private individuals is G2C. For an example, this is the site URL that is www.ctigov.uk. It is a government website where businesses can get the information and also give advice on the e-business. Then we have government to citizen. It is just a communication connection between your government and the private individuals or resident. जो आपके ये G2C कम्युनिकेशन है वो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम रिलेट करता है किसी भी कम्युनिकेशन को जो अकर होती है आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज में लाइक ICT में बट कैन ओनली और कैन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड डायरेक्ट मेल्स और मीडिया कैंपेन्स ऑल्सो. So G2C is contrast to your G2B because in that we have a government and a commercial business sector. But in G2C we have citizens like a particular individual and from other side we have government. So these are some types of business models. Now B2B business intelligence model. This particular model is used to describe the electronic communication between businesses or enterprises in order to differentiate it from the communication that is occur between a business and a consumer. मीन्स नॉर्मली बिजनेस की टर्म जब आती है तो हमें ये लगता है कि हमेशा कम्युनिकेशन एक बिजनेस टर्म का मीन्स बिजनेस एंटिटी का एक कंज्यूमर से हो रहा है पर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमारे पास बिजनेस टू बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन भी होता है बिकॉज जब हमें फाइनली मार्केटिंग करनी है या फिर हमारा प्राइमरी एम है अपने प्रोडक्ट को या कैपिटल गुड्स की मार्केटिंग करना तो उस टाइम पे हम B2B सपोर्ट ही कंज्यूम करते हैं बिकॉज जो B2B है वो सपोर्ट्स करता है कमर्शियल डीलिंग इन्वॉल्विंग योर प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज इंफॉर्मेशन बिटवीन एनी टू पार्टीज और बिजनेसेस. यूजुअली जो आपके ये B2B डीलिंग है वो प्लेस होती है किसी बायर सप्लायर्स मैन्युफैक्चरर्स रीसेलर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और ट्रेडिंग पार्टीज के बीच में. The businesses purchase goods or service directly from another business. This is your B2B means दोनों साइड direct communication है between business and business. The selling of business can be a wholesaler, distributor, manufacturer who sell to buyers from other business also. So there are more than one model for B2B e-commerce. There are many different models available, but most of the business model have several main concepts in common. Like the most fundamental business model level an organization have something of value to offer to the marketplace, whether it is a good product or a service. So we can take an example of bookstore. A bookstore can offer books, magazine as well as various services such as special ordering also. But to be successful, the thing which the organization provides is customer has to a value of something which the customer either wants or need. Another part of this is the customer, who is the target market to whom the organization is trying to sell it offering. So नॉर्मली जब भी हम कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, मेन दो कंसिडरेशन होते हैं कि हमारी टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या होगी, और मोर ओवर अगर हम ये प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं तो हमारी इसकी स्पेशल ऑफरिंग्स क्या हैं. सो दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो ऑफ योर B2B बिजनेस. Like in this, the both end contains business entity and the buyer from one business purchase goods or services from another. This figure represents B2B model. Electronic data interchange and e-commerce models. The e-commerce is the way of doing business transaction over the internet. Particularly, it helps the business in reducing the cost, increasing customer satisfaction, and also increasing the sales, which makes the customer shopping experience easier. So normally electronic data interchange means हम electricity को use करके कुछ data interchange कर रहे हैं. So normally इसका use जो आता है वो cost को reduce करने को आता है और customer satisfaction बहुत ज़्यादा increase हो जाती है. In this type of e-commerce business model, the company will use depends on the type of buyers and the sellers. मीन्स डिपेंड करता है कि बायर कौन है और सेलर कौन है, वेदर दे आर B2B, B2C, C2C और B2G. So one of the outgrowth of IT that has allowed the development of new business to business e-commerce model is the electronic data interchange, which is a standard format used in interchanging the business data such as your price, your product's identification number. This is the data which you send by using your electricity. So normally the electronic data interchange, that is EDI, is a standard form that is used to interchange the business data, which may include your price and product identification number. Now, advantages of e-commerce for your B2B business. The conventional business model for B2B operations require a procurement staff that can discuss with many suppliers. For example, a book house may get books from several distributors or office may supplies more than other suppliers. जैसे कि हमारा एक बिजनेस टू बिजनेस मीन्स एडवांटेज ये हुई कि मैं भी एक बुक हाउस रन करती हूँ, बट मेरे को जहाँ से बुक्स मिलते हैं अगेन वो एक बिजनेस एंटिटी है और वो एक नहीं है, बहुत सारी हैं. आप कितने भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से बुक को लेके एक पर्टिकुलर अपनी शॉप पे रख के उन बुक को सेल कर सकते हो. सो इन ई कॉमर्स मॉडल अ प्रोक्यूरमेंट स्टाफ मे शॉप ऑनलाइन फॉर सप्लायर्स and moreover the other items which are required for the business, just like it is done for a customer in a business to consumer business model. बस डिफरेंस इतना ही है कि यहाँ पे business to consumer ना होकर B2B है. Now B2C business intelligence models, that is business to consumer intelligence model. This B2C depicts the activities of the businesses serving end users or consumers with products as well as your services. In this we have a B2C example, like a person is purchasing 2 pairs of shoes from a retailer. This is B2C. Here consumer is the person who is buying and the business entity is the retailer. So that the transaction led to the shoes being available for purchase, within turn led to your purchase of leather, laces, rubber, etc. Example of online B2 consumer model is, first of all we have www.hammercd.com. It is just a project of Sir India Limited and SPG Enterprise Company. Its distinctive concept where the consumer or customer have wonderful options and complete freedom of creating their own audio CDs of their favorite songs, and these selection can be further personalized with their preferred image, CD title and image of their choice. Another example of online B2C model is www.amazon.com. Amazon.com is the best online retailer of products that informs, educates, entertains and moreover inspires about the product. In the Amazon group we have the online stores in our country like United States, Germany, France, Japan, Canada. So these are the countries who have Amazon group as an online store. The Amazon.com is a publicly traded company. Apart from selling books, it also sells millions of other products which ranges from cameras to coffee machines. exercise videos to some CDs. So this is two examples of online B2C business intelligence model. The business to consumer model describes the activities of business which serves end consumers with products. Moreover, this technology includes the internet just to enhance the sales, marketing and delivery of products or services to your end consumers or customers. There are a range of B2C strategies and delivery service which includes your internet, e-marketing strategies and solutions. Moreover, the business to consumer solution helps the client to support the commercial objective, and in this B2C product project plan and implementation services are given to the consumer through their in-house technical team. So in B2C we have an in-house technical team who can plan your project, implement the services which we have to give to our customers or consumers. Now, need of B2C model in data warehousing. In data warehousing, there are two main categories of usage. One is your consumer focused business intelligence and another one is operational focused business. First of all is consumer focused data warehousing. The internet site of B2C companies business operations, unlike the traditional customer focused data warehousing. It gives the opportunity for not only the fact analysis but also the proactive customer interaction. If we particularly concerned with customer intelligence service, then functionally it is similar to your brick and mortar business. Like as data about the customer and prospective activity is brought into the data warehousing environment from your transactional systems, and it is synthesized and also made available for reporting and analysis. This is what which is related to your consumer focused. और अगर आप ऑपरेशनल फोकस में डील कर रहे हैं तो हमारा मेन पर्पस होता है कि हमें ऑपरेशन कैसे परफॉर्म करना है और उसको कैसे परफॉर्म करते हुए अपने डाटा वेयर हाउस के साथ हम उसको मेंटेन करते हैं. So these are the two main categories if we are using in data warehouse, if we are using B2C model in data warehousing. Now, types of B2B intelligence model. In this category we first have electronic exchanges. Electronic exchanges means कि हम जो इंफॉर्मेशन या डाटा का एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं उसको उसके अंदर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. लाइक हम जो ई मार्केटिंग करते हैं जिसके अंदर एक हब होता है बहुत सारी साइट्स का इंटरनेट पे जहाँ पे बायर्स होते हैं, सेलर्स होते हैं और वो एक साथ आते हैं उस साइट के ऊपर जस्ट टू एक्सचेंज देयर इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक to buy or sell products. So this is the particular what we mean by electronic exchanges. Then is consortia backed exchange. It is just a general type of electronic exchange. These are e-markets which are created by consortia of conventional firms within an industry who group together to create a common environment for business to business transaction of goods and services. And its main purpose is to force down the cost of all the participants. Next type is private exchange. It is just also a type of electronic exchange structure, and in these exchanges we planned around the need of a specific sponsoring business and its trading partners which could be joined by invitation only. The advantage of this particular on electronic exchanges is firstly the owner of these exchange can adjust access to both buyers as well as sellers, which means जो आपका ओनर है उसके पास एबिलिटी है कि वो एलिमिनेट हो सकता है कंपिटिटर्स, मीन्स एलिमिनेट कर सकता है अपने कंपिटिटर्स को और अपने जो सप्लायर्स हैं उनसे एक्सचेंज भी कर सकता है, चाहे वो एक्सचेंज उसके खुद के मेंबर्स के बेनिफिट के लिए हो. एंड सेकेंड इज द ओनर ऑफ प्राइवेट एक्सचेंज कैन ऑल्सो ऑफर प्राइसिंग incentives or alternatives so that they can recognize the business processes and benefit participants. Next we have public exchange. Public exchange is also known as independent exchange, and it is a third party market that operates in a electronic market which displays information and provide the tools which are necessary to conduct e-business. So in public exchange हमारे पास एक exchange इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सचेंज है जिसमें हम एक थर्ड पार्टी को यूज़ कर रहे हैं जस्ट जो हमें प्रोवाइड कर रही है टूल्स को ताकि हम एक ई बिजनेस कंडक्ट कर सकें. देन वी हैव डेल बिजनेस मॉडल. This is the one. In this we have B2B operations that has been enabled by information technology. In this the orders for computer are placed in Dell by telephone or through internet using a process called just in time or learn manufacturing. Is such a use to waste is reduced and productivity is improved by having only the required inventory on hand when it is actually needed for manufacturing. Cisco business model. Cisco model is another lean B2B model that has been enabled by information technology. The successful network of communication manufacturer received roughly about 90% of its order over the internet. In this we have next is e-hubs. E-hubs means electronic hubs, or we normally call them as vertical portals, that brings your together buyer and seller in a particular industry such as your retail industry or information technology. Next we have vertical hubs. Vertical hubs are the setup of specialized with an industry or other vertical market. They give domain specific content and relationships that are of value to the participants. Vertical hubs successfully tend to have a high degree of domain knowledge and industry relationship to create your master catalog, and it also allows some advanced search options. Next we have functional hub. It is also known as horizontal hub. ये भी हमें वही प्रोवाइड करता है या फिर वो सेम फंक्शन जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज जो हैं प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं रादर देन मोर फंक्शंस विद अ सिंगल इंडस्ट्री. तो इसके अंदर हमारे पास वैरायटी हो जाती है क्योंकि हर एक इंडस्ट्री से हमारे पास एक फंक्शंस की लिस्ट आ रही है. देन वी हैव बायर ओरिएंटेड. दिस पर्टिकुलर exchanges are operated by the community of buyers who want to support an efficient purchasing process. Then we have supplier oriented. The supplier oriented e-marketplaces are also known as suppliers directories, and these types of trade exchange are handled by suppliers who are looking to generate online sales channel for your potential buyers. Then we have independent or third party. In this exchange, the third party are operated and managed the whole task or the whole trade exchange. They can offer a common online B2B platform to buyers and your sellers. So in this third party का जब involvement हो जाता है आपकी उस particular exchange में, तो हम उसे कहते हैं independent और third party type of B2B intelligence model. Do it yourself. First, explain B2B model. आपको business to business model को explain करना है. Nextly, name the different types of business models. In this, you need to list down the business models types. Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.